Hi guys, this is Puneet and you are watching PS Talk, and today you are going to see some tips and tricks for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. Well, let's get started. So the first trick is enable UI tuner. For this, you have to go in your notification panel. Here, hold the gear icon. It will enable your UI tuner menu in your setting. Go in system and here you can see the new option UI tuner. It will pop up a message, just ignore it. And here you can do many things. Well, you can enable and disable many icons like cast, hotspot, Bluetooth, do not disturb, volume, Wi-Fi and many more. Battery and battery percentage menu is also available here. You can always show battery percentage. You can disable the icon of the battery. Well, there are much more other things are available like volume control and volume button shortcuts. If you want to remove this setting, just click the three dot menu and click remove from setting and it will disappear from your setting menu. Let's go to our next tip and trick. Enable gesture like double tap to wake and many more others. As you can see, on double tapping, mobile is turning on and off. And on making some special alphabets, it can open many apps. For this, you have to go in settings, then system, and then gestures. Here select Zen Motion. You can enable and disable many features from here like double tap to screen off, double tap to wake up, swipe up to wake up, W for Chrome, S for setting, E for clock, and C for camera. Let's see how it works. As you can see, on designing C on the screen, it will open camera. Let's go to our next tip and trick, which is battery percentage. On your Asus Zenfone Max 1 Pro, you can enable or disable battery percentage. For this, just go in settings, then battery. Here you can enable and disable battery percentage icon. Just click it and it will start showing the battery percentage. Next step is split screen. Well, in this mobile you can activate the split screen menu. For this, just open some app and drag it over the top and it will open in the half of the screen, and just click any other app and it will open in the second half of the screen. As you can see, I am doing it. Next step is recent app shortcut. Well, in this mobile you get a recent app shortcut. For example, if I open dialer, then make messages, and if I double tap on recent button, it will open the recent tab very quick and fast. I hope you will enjoy this feature. The next step in the box is notification dots. Well, you can enable and disable notification dots on the application icon. For this, just go in your home screen setting and here enable and disable notification. Allow notification dot, you can enable or disable it. Now it will show notification dot on your application icon. Next is Smart Screen On. Well, this is a special feature. For this, go in Setting and then Display. Here, go in Advanced. You will see our option Smart Screen On. Just enable it and it will sense if you are looking on the screen or not. If you are looking on the screen, it will not turn off the display. Well, this is pretty cool, right? Well, these are some of the tips and tricks for Asus Zenfone Max 1 Pro. I hope you will like this video, and if you do, then please give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel. And yeah, thanks for watching.